Welcome aboard. In this video, I'll introduce you to a fantastic Telegram app. If you're ready, let's get started. The bot's name is Ton Station. You can find the link to the bot in the description of this video. Also, you can use the comment section to share your referral link with others. This bot allows us to farm with just one touch. All you need to do is press the farm button when the countdown ends. Additionally, by using the boost button, you have the option to select extra features. You can activate whatever you like. There are options like farm speed and daily login rewards at the top. When using this bot, don't forget to check in daily. Soon, tasks will be added to this section, and we will be able to earn boost rights by completing tasks. Besides that, there is a quest section below. This section contains options for earning soon by completing tasks. Complete these tasks and earn as much soon as you can. There is also a roadmap section below. This section shows the project's goals and roadmap. Feel free to check it out. On the far right, there is a referral section. You can invite your friends using this section. You will earn 10% from the person you invite and 2.5% from the person they invite. Lastly, I want to show you the launcher section. This is a fantastic area with many games and bots. You can use this section to play the games you want and try out the bots. You can also find play-to-farm games here. If you follow my channel, these bots won't be unfamiliar to you. On the homepage, you'll see one of these games. Run the game and strive to win. To see the bots I've previously discussed, you can visit my playlist. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.